how to fix Twitch error 5000. So if you want to fix a Twitch error 5000, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. And once you open up your browser, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and go with settings. Now under settings, you need to go with privacy and security. And under privacy and security, you need to go with third-party cookies. Scroll down, go with all site information. And here you need to simply search for Twitch. Here on the upper right, you will have search and search for Twitch. Now, once you have twitch.tv, you need to go with delete, which is on the right side. And once you deleted that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just go with the extensions. So go with the upper right again, which has that three dots, and go with extensions. You go with manage extensions. And here, if you have any extensions, you just need to simply go and disable all of the extensions. Once you've disabled, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your command prompt. Search for CMD and go with run as administrator under your command prompt. Click on yes, and here you need to enter a command, which is ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then hit the enter. Now it might take some time, so just wait for a few minutes, and once the command is done, then you just need to simply remove that, and then you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem may be fixed. But even after restarting, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is to go with your control panel. Search for control panel, and on the control panel, you need to go with network and internet. Here you will have network and sharing center. Go with that, click on the Wi-Fi network, and then go with properties. Under properties, you need to select internet protocol version 4, and then go with properties again. And here you need to go with use the following DNS server address, and you need to type in 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. And on the next, you need to type 8.8.4.4 or 1.0.1.0. And after that, you just need to simply go with OK, and your problem might be fixed. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is to go with another browser. So if you're facing a problem with the Chrome browser, then you just need to simply go with your Microsoft Edge or your Brave browser or Firefox or anything like that, and then your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix Twitch error 5000. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.